Today we will applying for the artificial intelligence to classify the man-made mistakes and some of the uh, cleaning techniques. I'm taking one service sector. The service sector I'm taking for the land-related service sector, land administration. I'm taking the data available here. The land ownership, all information is available here. How much land is available for particular person, they available in this one 1b is a collection of land information. Such information we need to identify. This is the uh, geos layers. We need to find out where the actually entered possible land is available at geolocation. The test case is that suppose my father having a land, the so and so the place and the land is available. We are going for the land is available. Available land. When that land, we are taking a collecting the geo points. Geo points and geo points we are is giving into the map. I'm collecting some geo points on field agriculture land field. Is collected agriculture land field. This survey number. Those information is reflected on geomap. I will going for this is the map. I'm going for the everyone is available for the map. I'm going for the where land is situated. Sorry. This one is the written based on user and who is the ownership of the particular person. The Giri is the person. Belongs to Giri, the how much land is occupied on 1B. 1B register is available. The based on 1B consideration only, the registration protocols is start. That is the fine. My father, the land is available. Some taking. I'm applying for the revenue record. I'm going for the Google Google layer. Here the land situation, the so and so place land is available. We need to go for the some of the statistics. Means the mapping the land information account. We are collecting the samples. We are written onto the map. Checking the adjustments. We are checking the some of the cross verification tables. One is RSR register. The records is available for the resettlement register. Yes, is available. Then okay. Now, sometimes land is available, but boundaries is some other boundaries. It will be occupy on particular survey number. Some four directions. Sometimes the land is more. Moving into the some survey number, some other survey number coming into entering into the particular your land field. Such a cases we can monitor. He is landowner, the land occupancy same survey number, the mapping is correct. We need to go for some other statistics. We need to measure how much land is available. um, this is the land, same number. This is the measuring. I'm already measured. Is returning that this much of cents is available. 0.25 acres means is 25 cents. The land is available for agriculture. This is the artificial intelligence too. The where collected points we are reflecting under the layer. We are noticing that whether sub register office means regional taluka sub register office, we are registered on computer records. The register records is uh, uh, correctly provided or not. We are checking some cross verifying techniques. Right. This is the case scenario, test case for the artificial intelligence. We are noticing for the data cleaning techniques. Fine. I'm concluding. If you raising any doubts, please commenting and below. Thank you. Goodbye.